I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to change the screen brightness of this TV. So from the home screen, you just want to go to the main menu. For this one, it's on the left side. For older TVs, it might be somewhere at the bottom there. And then on this menu, just go and click on settings and then go to all settings. On the all settings window, select picture and then go to export settings, select that, and then it should say brightness. So select it first by pressing the selection button, and then now you'll see a slider at the bottom of your screen that you can use to reduce or increase the screen brightness. And that is basically how to change the screen brightness of your Samsung Smart TV. Now, as you change brightness, you also have a few other options like contrast, sharpness, color, and stuff like that that you can change as well as the brightness. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.